Okay, here's a beautiful Wagener pump. It's 24 inches long, 18 inches high, 10 inches wide. It was bought from it's like Halliday Machinery in Seattle, Washington. Probably from the 40s. Wagener is the name of the company. The oiler comes with it. Really nice antique oiler. All half-inch pipe coming in, and well, I don't know, it's 1.25 inches going out. But I toned it down a bit with going down to 1/2 inch there going out. Beautiful pump. Runs great. I was really surprised when I first fired it up. I've had it for 6 or 7 years, but I've never used it. I'm just running it off of one of my 20-inch boilers. I'll turn on the steam. Just runs beautiful. Look at the amount of water coming out of it. Great. This is your exhaust, and manually you would take it up the stack and create more draft in the boiler. Incoming here. I've got the valves only open maybe 1/2 turn. That's all it really needs on each side for the steam oil. All cast iron. Pretty heavy. It's well built. Running off of one of my 20-inch boilers. It's got about 70 pounds of boiler pressure. The sale is just for the pump, not the boiler. And not the steam hoses either. I can get them at a pretty good cost if somebody needs the steam hoses. Just runs great. Look at the amount of water that's coming out of that thing. Beautiful. That's about it. I'll have it up for sale on eBay.